In Outlook.com, you can permanently delete an email, task, or calendar item, which could be scary if you do it accidentally. But are they gone for good? Not exactly. With the Recover Deleted Items feature, you can bring back an item that was recently deleted. Here's how to get started. First, open your web browser and sign into your Outlook.com account. Next, find the deleted Outlook.com item that you want to restore. Under your folders, select the Deleted Items folder, then select Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Now, choose the deleted item you'd like to restore, or use the checkbox at the top to select all items. Note that if you can't find the item in your Recoverable Items folder, it might have been permanently deleted. Select Restore, and done! That item is now restored back to its original folder. You can locate it again by simply searching your inbox. To learn more about the Outlook.com Recycle Bin, visit aka.ms/mailrecovery.